In this question, there is a one equilateral triangle whose side length is given 6 unit. Then we have to find the area of the semicircle. That is green area we have to find. So for this, we should know one theorem, that is tangent radius theorem. According to that tangent radius theorem, the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of tangency. Meaning, if we will draw this radius from the center of the circle to the point of tangency or contact, like this, if we will draw radius, let's suppose radius is this r, so this will be perpendicular on this point of tangency. Okay, according to the tangent radius theorem, radius is always perpendicular on point of tangency. Okay, since this is a equilateral triangle, so all angle will be what, 60 degree. Okay, so this will be what, also 60 degree. And we can say that side of this equilateral triangle is 6 units and this is the center, so this means this length will be what, 3 unit, because it is divided by the center. Okay, now we can here apply trigonometry, so we can write here what, tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So for this right angle triangle, perpendicular will be what, radius, so we can write this is equal to, and tan 60 degree is a value root 3 upon 2, and perpendicular will be radius, that is small r, and hypotenuse is what, 3 unit, so we can write 3. So this means we can write here r is equal to 3 root 3 upon 2 unit. Okay, radius is this. If we got the radius, we can calculate area of the semicircle, so we can write area of this semicircle, we can write 1 by 2 pi r square, so we can write 1 by 2 pi r square, that means 3 root 3 upon 2 whole square, 1 by 2 pi, and 3 root 3 upon 2 can be 27 upon 4. Okay, so this means we can write 27 pi upon 8 square unit. Okay, that is unit square, this will be the answer, or approximately you can say that 10.6 unit square will be the right answer for this question. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and share this video.